Hey everyone, in this video we will build a weather application that allows users to sign up, log in and check the weather for any city. To make the app secure, we use Firebase Authentication for user login and OpenWeather API to fetch real-time weather data. The app is built with Node.js, Express.js and Firebase for the backend and HTML, CSS and JavaScript for the frontend. So, in the index.html, this is the login page where users enter their email and password to access the app. We used a simple and clean UI with animated clouds to make the interface visually appealing. The login button triggers a JavaScript function that sends user credentials to the backend for authentication. If the login is successful, the user is redirected to the home page. For the home page, home.html file is this. So in this, after logging in, user lands on the home page where they can check the weather. There is an input box to enter a city name and a button to fetch weather data. The page also includes a logout button that allows user to sign out. The home page is accessible only to logged in users, ensuring security. And for the front-end logic, we use script.js file. So this file contains JavaScript code that handles users' interaction on the login and home pages. It connects to Firebase for authentication and sending a login and sign up request to the backend. Additionally, it includes a function to fetch weather data from the server after authentication. And then coming to the .env file, this file stores sensitive credentials like Firebase API keys and OpenWeather API keys instead of hard coding them in the code. We use .env to protect important data and keep the project secure. These are all the personal IDs of mine. And coming to the package.json file. This file lists all the libraries used in the project, including Express.js, Firebase, bcrypt.env, and Axios. It helps manage dependencies and makes it easier to install all required packages with a single command, npm install. And coming to the crucial file, server.js, backend logic with Express.js. The service file handles all the backend operations. It includes user authentication, that is login and sign up using Firebase, and weather data fetching from the OpenWeather API, securing routing, ensuring only authenticated users can access certain pages. When a user registers, their details are stored securely in Firebase. When they log in, Firebase verifies their credentials. The backend also fetches weather data and when requested by a logged in user. And now coming to the package.json file. So this file ensures that all installed packages remain in a fixed version, preventing compatibility issues when deploying or sharing the project. Now I'll show you the Firebase authentication process. This is the Firebase, and when we go to build and then authentication, here is the sign in method. You have to enable it, and then we go to usage and it shows you whatever you did in the app. It will show here. This is all about the Firebase authentication process. And now we have to execute the server.js file to direct to the our web application. Now let's execute our server. Will execute server.js file. This is the link which directs us to the app. Just control click. I'll show you. Now I'll show you how the app works step by step. So opening the login page, here users can enter their and email and password to login. If they don't have an account, they can sign up, signing up a new user. enter an email and the password, then submit the form. The user register and redirect to the login page. So I'll already have the account, so I'm logging in. Enter the registered credentials and login. Um, the credentials are correct, we redirect to the home page. That's it. Now login successful. Before it showed like right because the network is not connected. So now the login successful showing. Now you select O. Okay. Then here enter your city name. I'm entering Nirvana and click the get weather button. The app fetches and displays the weather details. Now log out. Click the log out button to securely sign out and return to the login page. So this is all about the project. So this project combines authentication and weather data fetching into simple yet functional web application. By using Firebase for authentication and OpenWeather API for weather details, we ensure a smooth and secure user experience. The backend built with Express.js and manages authentication and API request, while the front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript provides a user-friendly interface. This app is a great learning project for anyone wanting to explore web development, authentication, and API integration. Thank you.